Alright, this is just a real quick video. We're going to go through the vocab test for this week. So if you have your vocab test sheet out for week 4, we're going to go through it. The first part I'm just going to read through just one pronunciation piece just to help you hear, and then the second part I'll be pronouncing each word twice because you don't see it there in front of you. So you can write it down in Spanish and then try to translate it, or just put it in English right away. I'm more concerned obviously about the English translation of it, but that'll give you an opportunity to write it down if you need to, which I recommend if you feel like you're struggling at all. You can always back the video up and start over again. So you should have the vocab test in front of you. We're going to be trying to fill out the English portion. So I'm going to be repeating the words, and then you just need to go through. Initially doing this, please don't use your notes. Try to see how many you can do without using your notes, just listening to this video. Then you can go back through and check yourself and try some and get some of the other ones. In saying that though, make sure you try to mark which ones you can and which ones you can't, because I'd like you to be able to let me know which ones you were able to. So let's go through real quick. Starting at the top of the list. La hija. La hija. Working down. La tía. La oficina. El archivo. La pluma. El lápiz, leer, archivar, la tienda, el basurero, contratar. So at your leisure, try to put those into English off the ones that you know in your head. Now going down, let's look at the ones down below. Again, you are not going to see anything there. So I'm going to repeat each one twice in Spanish and just go down the list. You can try to write them down in Spanish initially and then put them in English, or however you want to do it. I'm more concerned about the English part, but you may have to write them down in Spanish and then go back there and try to guess what they are and then look up stuff. So, number 1, el teléfono. El teléfono. Number 2, el internet. El internet. Number 3, la puerta. La puerta. Number 4, escribir. Escribir. Number 5, la casa. La casa. Number 6, el baño. El baño. Number 7, el libro. El libro. Number 8, la biblioteca. La biblioteca. Number 9, el correo electrónico. El correo electrónico. Much smaller in English, that one. Number 10, borrar. Borrar. 11, el disco. El disco. 12, abrir. Abrir. And the last one, cerrar. Cerrar. So look at those verbs and words. There's some verbs, there's some nouns, everything in there. Back up the video, go through it again if you need to. You can do that as many times as you want. But try to get the Spanish version written down and then put the English version, which is what I'm more concerned with. And then I'd like for you to email me just a list of the verbs you were able to get. You're not going to get all of them. You may get some of them. You may get most of them. You know, it depends on how much practice you've been doing. But don't get frustrated. Lots of studies have shown you need to see these things at least 26 times, 25 times before you actually it starts to sink in. So once you're done with this, you can go back through and try to get some of the words using a dictionary, and then it'll click in your brain, oh yeah, that's right, that's what it was, and it's just another chance that you get to see the word. Okay, so there's no grades in this class, it's just pushing you to try to, this is the most pressure I can put on you. So try to get that back to me as soon as you're able, and that should be it for this week, and we will see you for week 5. Thank you.